Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tātere ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Te Rina hau, ko au te mama o te whare.
Kia ora, ko te uaki aho. Kia ora, ko mairua ahau.
A ko sina tēnei.
Rina is currently 5:40 in the morning. Most mornings I don't get up till about 6:30. But seeing we're in isolation, I can enjoy an extra long, delicious coffee in peace. No.
Mama. Mama.
Can you hear that? Silence. Peace. Yes. It's now 7 a.m. and our bread is all prepped and almost ready to go into the oven. With the current situation in the country, we're very limited on how much bread we can purchase from the supermarket, and we don't really want to be leaving the house anymore, so we'll start making our own. See how it goes. So Jeremy decided he wanted to be a difficult person yesterday afternoon, so he got the silent treatment. He realised that he was getting the silent treatment and he tried to grease with these. It kind of worked. You can always guarantee every day there's always that one that ends up in our bed. Morena!
Cover your eyes.
Maranga! Morena, kia ora! Morena Maru! Morena! Iau tō moi? Ne? How tō moi moi a i ngā pō? Oh, kei te haunga. So now that the wake up call's been done, it gives me about 15 minutes to do everybody's breakfast. Modu usually has spaghetti, bacon and eggs on toast. Uwaki, just depending what mood he's in, maybe wheat bix, maybe a boiled egg. Jeremy loves his long black with his shake. Actually, that's for breakfast now that I've got Sina. Fruit. Ana, tāna shake, optifast, Uwaki's bacon and toast. And Modu, how tō parakuhi?
It's good time.
Our Modu loves his kai. Nē mai. Please parakuhi?
So the moral of the story today, Tāne mai, is never forget to say thank you.
Pardon? What was that?
Never forget to say thank you and admit that you're wrong sometimes. Thank you, my love.
Jeremy went to mahi, and his mahi is out here. Mahi from home. Looking professional up top. Not so professional down bottom. My first attempt at cooking a bird, and this is how it turned out. I can't even cut it. That one's going in the bin, isn't it?